Hi all, let's compare the stack versus heap memory concept with the bank locker analogy to remember easily. Consider bank locker as heap memory where actual valuables, that is data, will store, and locker key as stack memory which holds the reference to access the locker valuables, that is data. Like this, compiler using stack reference to access data from heap memory. And also locker key is a small and easy to carry, that is stack memory, because it's hold only reference, but locker, that is heap memory, holds the actual content. And if you copy the key, it doesn't create a new locker, it just provide another way to access the same locker. Like this, in reference type objects, if you copy one object into another object, it doesn't create a new data, same data shared by all the objects. Then if you lose all the keys, the locker still exists until the bank decides to clear unclaimed lockers. Like this, stack memory cleared when method exit, but data in heap memory will not clear until garbage collector clears it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.